Queen and style lighting design is widely regarded as one of the most elegant and sophisticated forms of lighting design. This style emerged during the reign of Queen Anne in England between 1702 and 1714. The Queen Anne period was marked by a revival of classical design principles, inspired by the Italian Baroque and French Rococo styles. This led to the development of an entirely new style of lighting design, featuring ornate shapes, intricate details, and rich finishes. In this video, we will explore the history of Queen Anne lighting design, its key features, and how it continues to inspire lighting designers today. The origins of Queen Anne lighting design can be traced back to the early 18th century, when the Baroque and Rococo styles were at their height of popularity. At this time, lighting was primarily provided by candles, which were expensive and difficult to maintain. As a result, only the wealthiest aristocrats could afford to have elaborate candle holders and chandeliers in their homes. These candle holders and chandeliers often featured elaborate designs, with ornate scrollwork, floral motifs, and intricate filigree patterns. The candle holders were typically made from brass, bronze, or pewter, and were often highly polished and lacquered to give them a rich, lustrous finish. It was during this period that the Queen Anne style emerged, which would go on to become one of the most enduring and popular lighting design styles of all time. At its core, the Queen Anne style was defined by a focus on elegance, refinement, and luxury. The designs were often inspired by the classical motifs of ancient Greece and Rome, as well as the ornate decoration of the Baroque and Rococo periods. There are several key features that define Queen Anne lighting design and distinguish it from other lighting styles of the time. One of the most distinctive features of Queen Anne lighting design is the use of ornate decoration and intricate detailing. This is evident in the elaborate scrollwork, floral motifs, and filigree patterns that are common in Queen Anne designs. These elements are often highly decorative and are designed to catch the eye and enhance the overall aesthetic impact of the piece. Another important feature of Queen Anne lighting design is the use of rich, opulent materials. This includes materials such as brass, bronze, and pewter, as well as glass, crystal, and porcelain. The use of such materials was a reflection of the opulence and luxury that characterized the Queen Anne era, and was seen as a way of demonstrating one's wealth and status. In addition to these features, Queen Anne lighting design is also known for its use of curves and flowing lines. This is evident in the curving arms of chandeliers, as well as in the flowing floral and leaf motifs that are often used in Queen Anne designs. These curves and lines are designed to create a sense of grace and elegance, and to convey a feeling of lightness and airiness. Some of the most famous examples of Queen Anne lighting design can be found in the grand halls and palaces of Europe. One of the most iconic examples is the chandelier that hangs in the Palace of Versailles in France. This chandelier, which dates back to the early 18th century, features a highly ornate design with multiple tiers of arms and intricate scrollwork. It is made from gilded bronze and crystal, and is considered one of the most opulent and luxurious chandeliers ever created. Another famous example of Queen Anne lighting design is the chandelier that hangs in the ballroom of the Eltham Palace in London. This chandelier dates back to the 1930s and was designed in a highly stylized Queen Anne style. It features a series of curving arms and floral motifs, and is made from gilded bronze and crystal. The chandelier is considered one of the finest examples of Art Deco lighting design, which drew heavily on the Queen Anne style. Despite being over 300 years old, Queen Anne lighting design continues to inspire designers today. Its timeless elegance and sophisticated style have ensured that it remains a popular choice for interior designers and homeowners alike. Many contemporary lighting designers continue to draw on the key features of the Queen Anne style, incorporating ornate decoration, rich materials, and flowing lines into their designs. One of the ways in which contemporary designers are incorporating Queen Anne style into their work is through the use of modern materials and techniques. For example, Contemporary chandeliers may be made from materials such as stainless steel, aluminum, or acrylic, rather than traditional materials such as bronze or crystal. These modern materials allow designers to create lighting fixtures that are lighter, more durable, and more energy efficient, while still capturing the essence of the queen and style. Another way in which contemporary designers are incorporating queen and style into their work is through the use of modern technology. This includes the use of LED lighting, which allows designers to create lighting fixtures that are more energy efficient and environmentally friendly. LED lighting can also be customized to create a variety of different color, intensity, and temperature settings, allowing designers to create lighting fixtures that are perfectly tailored to the needs of their clients. Queen and lighting design is one of the most enduring and influential styles in the history of lighting design. Its timeless elegance, sophistication, and luxury have ensured that it remains a popular choice for interior designers and homeowners alike. From its origins in the early 18th century to its continued influence on contemporary lighting design, the queen and style has left an indelible mark on the world of design. Whether you are looking to create a grand, opulent chandelier or a simple, elegant table lamp, the queen and style remains a source of inspiration and creativity for designers around the world. Be sure to like this video and click to subscribe to see more content.